It's human nature to expect that if a person is wrongly accused of a crime, the person will offer an explanation of the person's innocence. And if an accused doesn't offer such an explanation, the assumption's that the person's guilty. But does the Constitution allow human nature to play out in criminal cases? The United States Supreme Court addressed this issue in Griffin versus California. Eddie Griffin met Essie Mae Hodson and her husband Eddie Seay at a nightclub. After a lot of drinking, the three went back to the apartment shared by Hodson and Seay. According to Seay, there Griffin tried to sexually assault Hodson and also physically assaulted Seay when he tried to intervene. Seay said he removed Griffin from the apartment, then went to get help at a nearby bar when Griffin continued to assault him outside. When Seay returned to the apartment, Hodson was missing. She was later found dying from a fractured skull in a trash box in a nearby alley. A witness, Alfredo Villasenor, saw Griffin buttoning his pants as he was walking away from that alley. Shortly thereafter, Villasenor discovered Hodson in the trash box. She died the next day. After Griffin was arrested for her murder, he told police officers that he engaged in consensual sex with Hodson, which caused Seay to become angry and assault both Griffin and Hodson. Griffin said that he and Hodson then went to the alley where they had more consensual sex. Griffin said he abruptly departed the alley when he heard a noise, leaving Hodson there. A state prosecutor charged Griffin with murder, and he had a jury trial. Griffin didn't testify during the trial. After both sides rested their cases, the court, consistent with California's state constitution, instructed the jury that it could consider Griffin's failure to testify on his own behalf concerning any evidence or facts against him which he could reasonably be expected to deny or explain because of facts within his knowledge. In his closing argument, the prosecutor argued that jurors should infer guilt from Griffin's failure to testify because he had knowledge of the relevant events. The prosecutor concluded by telling jurors that, quote, Essie Mae is dead. She can't tell you her side of the story. The defendant won't, unquote. The jury convicted Griffin of murder, and he was sentenced to death. On appeal, the California Supreme Court affirmed Griffin's conviction and sentence. Griffin successfully petitioned the United States Supreme Court to review his case.